One of the days I was going through my Instagram account and I was going through some videos and some content until I came across this particular video that caught my attention. This video was all about levitation, that's floating in the air. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to try to recreate this video, this levitation, to see if we can be able to achieve these effects using CapCut. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. First, we'll come to new projects, select the two footages in which we're going to be needing, this first one and the second one in which we're going to be using as the background image. Now we import these videos into our timeline. This is how the videos looks like. This is the first video in which we're going to be using as the background video, then or background image. Then the next one in which we're going to be using is this second one, that's the person that is flying, which is this. You can see how it looks, but one of the mistakes that I did on this video is that the background is actually same color. There's black with even the cloth the person is wearing, so there might be a little mix up in the we convert the video to overlay, which is just what I've done. We do the necessary adjustments that is needed for this video to sync in place with each other. But one mistake I did was that I didn't use a tripod to be able to capture these footages, because if I had using a tripod it would have been straight. So we do the necessary adjustment just like what you're seeing. Then the next one we have to do is we have to remove the background image for the overlaid video of the lady moving left and right like she's floating in the air. So the next thing we're going to do is to remove auto remover, then remove the background is removed. This is how it looks, but because of the black which is at the background, which we would have looked for a plain footage in which we're going to use to record the video, which would have been better. But these are some of the mistakes that was done in this video, so whoever that is doing it can be able to take correction. Then we do the necessary adjustments of the overlaid video to suit whatever we're going to do, and to make sure that is a little bit straight. You can see it's somehow bent. Then we adjust the size of the video to fit what we are trying to aim at, and these are the video. We also increase the speed so that these two footages can be able to rhyme at each other and meet each other at the same place. Now the next thing we're going to do is to add something else to make it look more professional or more better. Then we need to adjust this footage back a little when we are going to do that, to add whatever in which we want to add to make it look more professional and more attractive. You can see how the video looks like. Now we need to come to this place. I just want to add a text as the intro, then adjust the other one. Then the next one we have to do, we have to come to templates, which is at this place, to be able to get what we are looking for. And this is what we are looking for. This is how it looks like. We look for this lightning text to be able to do one or two adjustments. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to delete what is written, play to win, then do this, type floating and levitating effect using CapCut, but we're not going to put the CapCut, just floating and levitating effect. Then we click OK then we do the necessary adjustment. Then for the overlaid video, we're going to do what? We're going to do all the necessary adjustment that is needed so that these two things can sync. Then we reduce some of this footage or push it back, then bring the text to the front as an intro. So this is how it looks like, and by the end of this video I'm going to show you how this video actually looks. So make sure you stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Some of the mistake that was done on this video is that we didn't use tripod to get these accurate footages, and you can see that these things are not straight. We would have also used a plain background to be able to capture the overlaid video which you are seeing of the lady floating. So now for the results. If you find this video interesting and you want to learn more on editing and YouTube customization and YouTube SEO, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because I'll be creating more videos that has to do with editing, growing your YouTube channel, and a whole lot more. So if you find this kind of videos interesting, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So this is the end result of the video. This is how it looks like. You can see, but though there's some mistakes, you can see that some of the part of the body is disappearing. So I believe you find this video interesting and you've learned one or two in this tutorial. So I also have my other videos which has to do with creating a disappearing effect and also creating a fake YouTube studio, and also another one which has to do with the best way of creating a reaction video. So if you find this video interesting, you can check it out. You can also subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day. Wait, now put your legs, put your tiptoe.
It's a pain now.
Sorry, just 1 minute now. Perfect. You don't do